In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a GIF on iPhone. You can do this for a live photo or a video. So first I'll show you for the live photo. As you can see here, I've got a photo open, and if we hold down on it, you can see it's a live photo. To change it to a GIF, we first need to actually go ahead and change it to a video. So if you've got a video you want to turn into a GIF, just be patient and skip this step. For a live photo though, we first need to get it in video format. So if you go to the three dots in the top right, you can then click here, save as video. That will then save your live photo as a video, and from here we can convert that video to a GIF. Again, if you've already got a video ready to go, we can just go ahead and continue from this next step. So now you need to open up a web browser and search on Google for GIF Maker. There are many here, but I used Easy GIF. So if you go ahead and click on that, you can then make sure you're on video to GIF. Now, once you're on video to GIF, you can go ahead and upload your video here. So click choose file, go photo library, and then upload the video you want to make a GIF. Again, whether that's the live photo video or you've got a separate video you want to upload. I'll select this one and we'll click done. Now we've got that selected, we can click upload video. Now that's uploaded, we need to scroll down. And here you can see the start time and end time of your clip. We can keep the original size, crop video, no, change aspect ratio, no. I'm going to put the frame rate all the way to the max. Then we'll click convert to GIF. Here we should see the output GIF animation. Then we can go ahead and scroll down and click save in the bottom right hand corner. That will then prompt you to save it to your phone. Click on save, click files. Then once the download is complete, click open in. Then you want to scroll down and click save to files. Click on save in the top right hand corner. And now we should be able to access this GIF in our files. So once we open up our files, we can go to recent and then we can find this GIF. Here you can see, here is our GIF. It's not a video, it's a GIF. And we can go ahead and then use this GIF wherever we want. To then save this GIF into your actual camera roll, if you click on the button in the bottom left hand corner, you can then go ahead and click on save image. It will then save it to your camera roll as a GIF.